have to stay with the Gundersons.
I have a wonderful idea. I'll take that, Gertrude. Richard, do you want to start?
Ready to eat, Molly? Yeah. Hello! So it's been a while since I've filmed, like a few weeks. I'm not gonna lie, because I've just had a lot going on. I have a full-time job now. I've never worked like a real job before. My grandmother just left this past Sunday for Scotland. So I am house sitting slash dog sitting while I have this job. So it kind of feels like I'm an actual adult, and it is just a very strange feeling. Since I haven't filmed in a long time, I'm just gonna take you through a few days in my life. I have some plans for the next few days. It was my grandfather's birthday on Tuesday. Me and my cousin were gonna make him a cake, and then some stuff came up for her, so she had to push it back till Wednesday, and then we finally are getting to it today. However, baking a cake takes a lot of work, and I don't think I mentally prepared myself for it. So we came to the consensus that we're not gonna bake a cake. I just baked a cake. This is what I have left of it though. This is what I'm gonna bring him for his birthday. That's all I have left of this cake, and I made it like maybe a week ago. I'm giving him a week-old slice of cake because I'm lazy. Okay, that makes me sound like a terrible granddaughter, but also, actually, I have a few more updates. Let me show you what my bathroom looks like. I have a plumbing issue in my bathroom, so my sinks they'll fill with water, and then they won't have any water in it. I don't know, it's so weird. Yeah, so oh, by the way, sorry, I'm like all over the place. I forgot I have to get ready. So let's go get ready together and I'll explain. So I am dog sitting my grandmother's dog and my uncle and aunt's dog because they all went to Europe together. You're gonna see how I take care of them over the next few days. So I just fed them dinner. You know, I said it's about 7. I usually take them on a walk at about 8, but taking them on a walk is kind of a process. Like, you have to get their treats ready, the bags ready, and then one of them walks faster than the other. It's a lot. Oh, and by the way, if you didn't know this, I am a preschool teacher now. So I have a class of 2-year-olds. It's a lot. 2-year-olds are not easy. Look at my hands. I feel like I look like a teacher today. Okay, but let me show you my bathroom. Like, why did this happen right after my grandmother left? Something else is gonna break, probably, while she's away. On another note, something embarrassing kind of, I got a new plant from my stepmom, and she's really, really good at taking care of plants, right? I have this plant right here. I did not know how to take care of it. It didn't have any instructions when I got it. This is what it looks like. That is not what it looked like originally when I got it. I thought that you had to put it outside, but it's definitely an indoor plant. I did get a new plant. She's my new bathroom plant. I haven't named her yet though. Oh, by the way, that one's name is Gladys.
They tried their best, but they also fell short. A lot of them blamed, quote, infected letting and opening northern-facing windows.
Alright, so I'm back home now, and while I was at my uncle's house, I was telling my uncle about my plumbing situation with the sinks in the bathroom, and he told me how to like unscrew the scoopy looking doohickey thing to like unclog it. Here I am in my bathroom at 10:15 at night trying to fix my toilet, fix my sink. I have a bowl. Gotta unscrew it and see what happens. It's filled pretty high with water, so I'm assuming a lot of water is gonna come out. So I didn't think about how to get this bowl out once it's filled with water. Oh my gosh. Oh, things are happening. Bad things are happening. Oh no. Oh god. Oh no. So it got kind of messy. guys, nothing came out of the pipes except for water. Dirty water. I'm probably just gonna call my dad. Alright, I think I'm done with plumbing for tonight. I'm gonna go to bed. Are you ready to go outside? Shax, you ready to go outside? Good morning! For the past like week or so, me and my friend have been getting up at 5:30 to go to the gym. And mind you, it's not every day. The plan was to do it this morning. She texted me at 5 a.m. asking if I was awake. I wasn't, but I woke up at 5:30 and I texted her asking if she was awake, and she wasn't. So if I don't meet up with my friend at 5:30 to go to the gym, then I'll go by myself about this time. But the thing that I like about going to the gym at 5:30 is, one, there's not a lot of people there, which is so nice. Two, I can take as much time as I want. Like, I have to be back at 7 to feed the dogs, but other than that, like, I get a good hour and a half. It's almost 9:30 and I'm about to go into work, so I will see you guys later. Alright, I am back home now. I invited a couple of friends over for a game night. I found out that my other friend is bringing her boyfriend, and now I'm feeling stressed because I wasn't prepared for that, and I feel like the house is a mess. Like, y'all, this is what the guest bathroom looks like. So it's Sunday morning. I get up, go to the bathroom, and find out that my sink has been leaking all night. There was water everywhere, and I had to get a lot of towels. Are you supposed to do that? Get it, Roxy! What is it called? Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
Cinnamon toast, cereal milk, all of that.
Alright, I am back home now. I feel like my schedule today has been so thrown off because of the whole sink situation. I wasn't expecting to stay out of the house for this long. It's almost 3. So I went to the gym and I went to lunch with my friend, but I completely forgot that I had made plans to meet up with a friend after she got off work at 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly get ready, and then we're gonna go meet my friend. Alright, I'm headed out. Oh, you can see all of my family pictures behind me. See you when I get there.
Going on and on about my TV. There's nothing in my
It's like 5:30. Now that I'm home and I don't have any more plans for the evening, I'm gonna take the dogs out right now because I feel bad that I've been out of the house pretty much all day and I haven't been able to spend any time with them. So I'm gonna take them on a quick little walk, and then when I come back I can start cleaning. I'm actually kind of excited to clean. I haven't been able to deep clean the house. Plus, I want to use my grandmother's bathtub tonight, so I need to wash that. Oh my gosh, you guys, earlier I was driving home. I drove down the street that I always drive down, and I noticed that there was a field of white flowers, and I was like, what? Has that always been there? So I pull over, I walk all the way over to where I thought the flowers were, and I was like, as I'm getting closer, I'm like, these don't really look like flowers. I walked through like a huge patch of grass where it was like this, the grass that like is really sharp. Anyways, I got stabbed by a piece of grass and I'm bleeding a little bit.
Trilogy.
So why?
Why? Damn.
Wow, why is gonna be hard?
I think my game was funner.
The silent game? You found one?
I'm quick.
You're getting 3 chairs?
They're $7.
They're only $7.
I think it will, bro.